So first of all, you have to go to insert and shapes and insert a rectangle. Now send it towards the back, no fill, and go to outline and no outline. Duplicate the slide and add any of palettes you want to add so that we can easily use the eyedropper at the between the video. So let's go to insert again and insert a rectangle. You have to adjust it like this. Now press Control D and it will be duplicated and duplicated 4 times. Like you have to press Control D about 4 times and adjust them like this now. Select all of these, group them. Now select, you have to decrease their size. Go to group and ungroup. There you go. Select one of them and go to shape fill and use the eyedropper to use color from your shape palette. Color palette. Now use the other eyedropper for the second and do the same for the third and the fourth by going to shape fill and eyedropper and remove their outlines as well. Remove the outlines of all of the 4 rectangles. Now go to shape fill and change its color, the last rectangle's color as well. Now shape effects and preset 3. Go to shape effects and shape effects preset and 3 for all of these. Now there you go. Now you have to go to insert and add a text box, and if we're gonna write a capital A will do. There you go. Now increase the size to 96. Move it upwards. Select it and bold it. There you go. You can change font if you want. Now go to icons and choose any random icons. I'm gonna move them onto the left side first to see which one would I use on the first rectangle and the others. I'm gonna add this icon on the first, and now I'm gonna select A and the icon and merge them. Go to merge and union. Change the color of the icon and both the text to white. There you go. Now you have to go to graphic fill and change its color to white and duplicate them and move them to the next rectangle. Add a letter B and change the icon and change the icon's color to white as well and decrease the icon size. Duplicate the B as well and now change them to C and D onto the next rectangles. Add the clock and the settings icon as well. There you go. Now the next thing you have to do is adjust all of these. Now let's go to you have to select the icon and both the text on each of the rectangle and go to group and group them. Like I'm gonna choose this I'm gonna choose this day and icon. Now let's go to next step. We're gonna change their colors because I don't really like these colors and the colors have to be in a shade shape. I have also changed the alphabets and the icons color because white doesn't suit it well. You can use white if you want. Duplicate the slide and move B upwards and decrease its rectangle size, duplicate the size and move C upwards and decrease its rectangle size. Now duplicate the slide and move D upwards and decrease its rectangle size to this like this. Now duplicate the slide as well. You have to select all of the rectangles, increase their size and move and select A, B, C, D and move them in the middle a little bit downwards. There you go. Now you have to add your text in this template where A is upwards. I'm gonna add my text. It's a random text to as a placeholder. Alright, you can change its color and font and any other style if you want. You can also change its size if you want. Like this, I'm gonna give it some presets and I'm gonna duplicate it 4 times and move them each next by next. And I'm gonna select all of these and change their color to gray. Now select all of these, move them upwards and send them towards the back. Now you have to place you have to add the text again on upwards, duplicate it, move it onto the each rectangle, select all of these and copy them and move them to the for second slide and send them all to the back except for the A. Do this onto all other slides where A, B, C, and D are upwards. Next, what you have to do is you have to add the text on this D as well. Add the text right here and send them to the back on the last slide. Give more transition and there you go. That was just a preview. I'm gonna give uh, uh, now duplicate the last slide and remove the text from it and thank you for watching as it is the last slide. Give animations and this is the final result. If you like the video, be sure to subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon to get more videos like these.